Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Break in Story on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is powered on and properly connected to the internet. Then, navigate to your game library and locate Break in Story. Select the game and press the A button on your controller to launch it. This will get you ready to dive into the adventure. Once the game loads, you'll see the main menu. Use the left joystick on your controller to smoothly move the cursor between the different options presented. When you've highlighted your desired choice, simply press the A button to confirm it. To start your adventure, select New Game and prepare for the story to unfold. As you begin playing, understanding the basic controls is key. Your character's movement is managed with the left joystick, allowing you to explore the game world. To look around and adjust your perspective, use the right joystick. When you encounter items or characters you wish to interact with, simply press the A button to perform the action. To ensure you don't lose your progress, remember to save your game regularly. Pause the game to access the in-game menu, where you'll find the save option. Choose an available slot to store your current progress. When you're ready to continue your journey later, simply select Load Game from the main menu and pick up right where you left off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.